How are you? Hoping that all of you are doing great. Today I'm just walking in the rain actually. That drop of rain is falling over me and I'm walking in the rain and I'm getting wet. But I still walk, I have to go. I don't have any alternative to go. So the bar is sitting on the tap of electricity tap. Okay, I would like to show you something how the atmosphere look like. The cow is eating grass. Hey cow, what are you eating? The cow is eating grass. Grass. Thank you. So there is a tree in front of me, long tree. I think this old long tree is beautiful to look at. There is a pond and a row of trees, different kind of trees, green leaves, looks very eye soothing. So uh, it has been raining actually. Hi guys, where are you going? Where are you going? You are going to school? What class do you read in?
Class 7.
You are a student of class 7. Thank you. This boy is very good looking, handsome boy. And this place is called Jamalpur rail station.